Okay, we are going to, excuse me, complete the square. This is your first intro, and then I'm going to show one other, and you'll do one for me. Okay, in order to complete the square, it would be nice if I had x squared plus 6x here, nothing else. Because I'd like this to be, nothing over here. So what I have to do to set it up that way is, well, anyone have a suggestion? All right, now it's got negative 55. How do I get rid of that negative 55? I don't want it there.
You add it.
Thank you. So let's add that 55 to both sides, because we have to do it to both sides to keep things equal, right? Okay, so now this is just x squared plus 6x equals 55. I'm hoping I haven't lost anyone. All we did was move that number out of the way because it's not a perfect square. We want it to be a perfect square. We're going to complete the square and force it to be a perfect square. So I'm going to put a little box here. And I'm going to ask you guys, okay, 6 is here. Oops, sorry, 6 is here. What two numbers, what do I need to go in that box?
3.
3 comes here. That's not what goes in the box. What goes in the box?
9.
Thank you. Okay, so 9's going to come here. I can write this as x plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay. Now, I just added 9 to this side of the equation, but I didn't add it over here. I've not balanced my equations, guys. In order to keep this balanced, I've got to add that 9 to both sides. I might as well stop recording because I'm just coughing through the whole thing. But I might post it anyway. 55 plus 9, 64. I completed this square. I added 9, so I had to add 9 to both sides to keep things equal. Just like here, I added 55 to both sides. I'm adding 9 so I can complete this square. This is me completing the square. Now I write this as x plus 3 squared equals 64. And now we do Squebfutzer. Solve the quadratic equation by finding the square root. Square root both sides. The square root of something squared, it just eliminates that square. Don't forget, you guys are young adults now. Plus or minus 8. The math is not hard. It's just different. It's really super simple. Now I got to subtract 3 from both sides. X is equal to, and I always put the, whatever I'm putting here, negative 3 plus or minus 8. So you have negative 3 plus 8 is one of our zeros. Negative 3 minus 8. Here I got 5. Here I got negative 11. So my answers, my x-intercepts, my zeros, my solutions, my roots are x is negative 11 or 5. On a graph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Booyah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? That's going to be a pretty fat graph. Okay? I could find the vertex, but that's not what I'm asking today. Today I want to just find the zeros by completing the square.